Hey, happy Tuesday. This is Casey with Strategic Mortgage Solutions with my Tuesday Mortgage Talk. Hey, I wanted to talk briefly about a recent experience I had with a prospective buyer yesterday. Somebody that actually was a lead off of Zillow. Interestingly enough, she had reached out because she had engaged with a push button get mortgage company. I think you might know who I'm talking about. Anyway, she described the process as very simple, very easy. She just went on her cell phones, a few clicks, and within moments, she was getting a phone call from a representative of that company, asking a few additional questions, and then she was pre-approved for a $250,000 home purchase using an FHA loan. Except, interestingly enough, she did not know what kind of rate that she was getting, what kind of payment she could expect. All they told her is that $250,000 purchase, 3.5% down FHA, and not even why she was recommended to get the FHA loan over potentially other options that I could deduce for her. So here's the thing. If you ever talk to somebody that is pre-approved for Rocket Mortgage and you want to encourage them to get a second opinion, ask them questions like, hey, what kind of rate are you getting? What will be your mortgage payment? What about the closing costs? Because interestingly enough, if you look in their advertisements and in their mortgage process, it's all about convenience, simplicity, and quickness, and nothing about best rates, options, or awesome mortgage fees. So I guess if I were you, do a little digging, ask your client some good questions, and maybe you'll get feedback that will show them that maybe they need a second opinion of a local lender. And by the way, I recently introduced technology for our company that has streamlined and automated the process of getting people pre-approved. We do it faster, convenient over our cell phones or mobile computer devices, wherever they want to do. It's a very similar experience with like Rocket Mortgage, except that you're actually going to have somebody here local talking to them, advising them, and educating them about their options. Hey, I'm not sure if you heard this, but state of Oregon here a while back passed a tax credit for people that are saving as first-time home buyers for their down payment for purchasing their home. Interesting. This is pretty cool, guys. I'm not sure if you're aware of this. I've attached a flyer to this email as well as a link. But essentially, the state of Oregon is allowing for individuals to save up to $5,000 per year and receive a tax deduction from their income. So imagine if you already have a savings account set aside with some money, or you're getting some gift funds. You might want to go down and talk to your local bank, or have them talk to their credit union about these special tax savings account. It may be just as simple as them rolling money over that they already have or will be receiving into one of these specialized accounts. And looking online at the Oregon Department of Revenue, there doesn't seem to be any minimum requirement as far as how long that money has to be in that account. So what if you're Oregon resident paying taxes where Oregon's taking 10% of your income out to pay property tax, or pay income tax? Well, guess what? Imagine dumping a gift fund of $5,000 for mom into one of these special accounts for just a week or two before the closing, and them getting a tax credit of $500, or I should say tax savings, when they go and do their taxes the following year. That could be pretty huge. It's a little extra bonus money that maybe they wouldn't otherwise get. So why not take advantage of it? Now, as a joint household, 5 plus 5, total of $10,000 a year. So in theory, there's a lot of potential savings there for somebody to be able to utilize. And finally, I want to tell you about manufactured homes and the phenomenal deals we're currently seeing on them for FHA. I have one particular lender, believe it or not, who is offering just phenomenal rates over, I already know that as a wholesale lender that we have a very competitive advantage over these banks or retail lending institutions. But I have one investor in particular that seems to have a niche when it comes to manufactured homes and FHA loans. And they seem to be offering them at terms and rates well below all my other lenders that are competing for my client's business. So if you have somebody that's a manufactured home FHA buyer, give me a call. I guarantee you I could probably save them quite a bit of money. This is Casey with Strategic Mortgage Solutions. Give me a call or shoot me an email if you have any questions about the taxes or anything I covered today. Have a great day. Bye.